What's up, guys? Today we have the Hunter low profile up on the testing rig. I had a little mishap taking it down in the fan barn. When I was taking it down, the light kit dropped. It didn't have any glass on it, but one of the porcelain light sockets broke, so I had to replace it. It works, but wiring it back up was a pain in the butt. So yeah, 5-way light kit I put on it. It's not original to it. The light kit it came with was so ugly and big, so I just put this on it because it looks way better. And the chains are from the old living room ceiling fan. So here's the light. And the light back there is LED. And these ones are warm light. But yeah. It wobbles a little bit on high. But yeah. Let's start off on low. I got this from my mom's client who was taking it down, and she put up a new one in her house, and that's how I got it. I love how this thing looks. Alright, here's the light. Alright. Medium. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's wiggling a tiny bit. Even though it's a flush mounted fan, the way it mounts in there, it lets it wobble. So it's a very good system. I'm surprised how supportive it is. It doesn't look... if you go watch me installing this in the fan barn originally, you can see it's just held up by 3 clips, but it's very strong. Alright, here's the light. I don't know if I'll do the Lasco today or not. The Lasco's a really big pain to put up because it doesn't have a hook to wire it up, so you have to hold it up there while wiring it up, and it sucks. And then there's no slide-in things, so you have to hold the thing up while you're screwing the thing in, and the screws are not original, so you have to, like, move it around and stuff. It's so annoying. There used to be a hook. I can see where the hook used to be, but it's not there anymore. Alright, here's hot. You could definitely see it on camera. It's way worse in person than it is on camera. I think this thing is completely silent. Yeah, I love this Hunter low profile. It's awesome. Here's the light. Alright. And spin down. If you ever see one of these, I really recommend buying it. There is actually one on my Facebook Marketplace, but I don't really want to get it because I already have one. I think the FanMan64 might get it. I hope so. And usually these things have bent blades, like it's like a common trait among these fans, but this one, it's not that bad. But definitely some of them are like not how they used to be because it wobbles that much. So yeah, that was my Hunter Low Profile ceiling fan. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.